Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome back to another video. First of all, Happy New Year. I hope you have a fantastic 2023. Okay, so this is my budget desk setup. Predominantly we're going to be focusing on the desk itself and the chair, but I'll show you some of the accessories I have which you can add or keep it minimal, all up to you. Starting off with the desk, we have a Zenith Tresor workstation. Only costs £30 and 38 pence at the time of purchase. Now that is a great price. You also get a very useful Allen key tool, and this makes the assembly process extremely easy. I mean, the whole setup to complete took me less than 15 minutes. Very easy. You also have the side storage made out of all metal, extremely sturdy design, and it fits in. You can put your accessories in there or as you desire. Extremely sturdy table, legs are very strong, and you also have a little hook on the side where you can put your headphones or back. At the back you have a nice area for cable management, so your setup should look neat and very easy to read instructions, along with spare screws, which all desk companies should start doing. Now here we have a quick top-down view of the desk itself. I'll also include a picture of all the measurements so you get an idea of how big it is, but just a quick summary: it's 140 centimeters in length and 60 centimeters in depth. I believe they also have a bigger desk, 160 by 75. The desk also comes with a freestanding monitor stand. It measures around 60 centimeters, so you can put it anywhere on the desk. And I love a monitor stand because you can tuck in your keyboard and write out full notes. I also got this floodlight. Okay, now this is supposed to be used for outside, but I thought, hey, why not try it on my desk setup and see how it looks. Now I use these Govee floodlights. They are facing to the wall, along with LED strips by Govee, and I think it's very good. The setup works well. I'll have my strip a different color and the floodlights complementing the strip. I think it looks really nice. You also have a brilliant app by Govee. This lets you change the color of the floodlights individually. There are several color options to pick from. You also have different modes such as microphone, so if you're playing music it will pick up sound from the beat of your music. You have different scene selection, party mode, meditation, energetic, flow, DIY, and you can have static color as well, and you can change the brightness and temperature of the color. Hey, wait a minute. Just a quick shameless plug. If you want to see more short form content, more reels, more behind the scenes, then do remember to follow me on Instagram at Carlos Tech. Now moving on to the seat itself. Now this was bought from B&Q. I believe I paid around £60 to it. I wanted a simple ergonomic chair that does the job. It's quite comfortable. You have different height adjustability as well, and great armrest. However, they're not adjustable. It's quite sturdy as well, and the wheels move smoothly. Now I absolutely love this setup. Some of the reasons are the desk at the forefront. It cost me just over £30. It has a monitor stand, a stationary tray. It's very sturdy, big enough in terms of length and depth. It is absolutely value for money. Secondly, the chair is comfortable, ergonomic. It didn't cost me much either. Then we have the pair of Govee lights. They are the floodlights and the strip light. It just adds so much to the room, and I love RGB lighting. We also have a clock in the middle, shows you the temperature, what time it is and what day it is. Everything else can be added later, such as the MacBook Pro 16-inch and the iPad Pro. I mean, they were acquired over time, but even for my main monitor, it's a 22-inch Samsung, and yeah, I just love it. I think the RGB lighting, the whole look, the plant as well adds so much to the desk setup. Now, although I am a small-time YouTuber, I was looking for a desk that can cater for both working for home needs. So I work in the IT industry. I need, my laptop always connected, ideally multiple screens when available. However, I'm also trying to take this YouTube scene a bit more seriously. So I needed an area where I can record my videos, put my keyboard underneath the monitor stand, and then write down notes. And for the price being paid for this, I think it caters for both. So I think it's a fantastic productivity desk, and I can do everything from my day job to my YouTube. If any of the products in this video has caught your eye, then I'll leave all the links in the description box below. Let me know what you would change, what you would alter. Do you like the setup? Do you hate it? Do you like RGB lighting? No? Let me know it in the comment section below. And as always, stay safe, have a great year. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.